all good to go. Oh god, now, whatever we fucking do not fall into the void. Does anybody have building blocks on them already?
I do.
We all do.
Okay.
Yep.
I don't. Mine are in the fucking ender chest. Alright.
Never go anywhere without them.
Yep.
That.
Ready?
1,
Yep.
2, 3, go. What? What the heck? Oh, there we go.
Oh, there we go.
Here we go.
Alright. And...
Oh.
okay. Crouch when you walk out.
Yep.
We're
Yep.
above,
Yep.
we're above the ground anyway.
Okay, I see stuff.
Oh, God.
Oh god. Lag.
Where
Okay,
is it?
that was horrible.
Okay, yeah. All right.
Where is it?
Let's go. Oh god, who pissed off a fucking Enderman already?
One of them.
Are you kidding?
I think Eric did.
Yeah, it sounds about something like Eric would do.
From the looks of his anger.
Okay, there's a slight gap over here.
No, there isn't.
Yeah, now there's not. Alright.
Oh,
Whoa.
God.
Hey, you think you
Alright. Oh boy, there it is.
where? Oh, I see it.
Yeah, Caleb, you got those glass bottles?
I do.
Okay. Get ready to use that on any of those pink pools.
Do they like stay around for a while, or are they kind of fast?
Oh yeah, they stay
See.
for a bit.
Okay, so it won't be like trying to rush out.
No. I got one of the totems.
Just avoid looking at the Enderman.
Oh fuck. Yeah. The Endermen are admittedly almost a bigger threat than the dragon is half the time. Oh god.
But they're avoidable, see? So, hey, I got a ladder.
The Ender Dragon, on the other hand, is not.
Should I go ahead and start on these crystals?
Yep, go
I already
ahead.
took
Oh
out
yes,
one.
oh yes, definitely.
I'm trying to get some now. I'm not having much luck. Caleb, if you want to just like purely focus on trying to get the pools of that dragon's breath.
Oh, yes, definitely.
Oh god. Yep.
Oh, I'm being swarmed. Oh boy.
Oh god. Hello, Enderman. I know. Okay.
Ow.
They fixed that, though.
I'm low. Hey, I need help over here. Low.
Where you at?
Running
I
around.
had to use a potion. Oh, I see you.
I can't.
Got him.
Oh, fuck. Hi, Enderman.
Heal up.
Bitch. Oh, fuck. Oh. Go.
Grabbing it. Grabbing as much as I can.
Oh, fuck. Ow. Okay, Caleb.
I'm going as fast as I can. I got 8 of them.
I know. I'm putting the ender chest down right here. Put the bottles in it if you need extra storage space.
Copy that. And plus, it'll keep them safe.
I'm getting out the beds. I'm gonna use them on him next time.
Copy that. Copy
Hold
that.
on. There's still crystal up.
What if we put water around to avoid the... Oh, here comes.
Okay, got it.
Incoming!
Oh shit, John.
Oh, that's not good.
Yeah,
Oh, that's
he's
not
over
good.
here.
Whoops.
Okay, at least he didn't fall into the. Okay, here's the stuff. All right.
Yeah.
Is his stuff safe?
I'm lagging a little. Oh, there we go.
Yeah, his stuff is fine.
Alright, is that? Oh, that's not all the crystals.
Yeah, no. No. There's one in the iron.
And it did not get it.
It's because it's in the cage, idiot.
Yeah, it's in the cage. You didn't.
Well,
You hit the
I
cage.
did say that.
I was wondering if the glass would get it.
No,
I'm back.
it does not.
That's a fair point, but no.
I'm not really sure I hadn't thought through that far.
Okay.
All right, we got 36. We got 36 thingies. Dragon breath.
Oh, that is perfect.
More.
Okay. Ow.
I-
Motherfucker.
Okay, I got that last one. I don't know if that's all of it. Looks like
So
it.
how do you collect the dragon's breath?
That's all of them.
Glass bottles
left.
on the
Yeah,
like the
left
pools
click.
of purple weakness. I'll show you.
Like rather on
Here,
the
here, I'll
pools
show-
of purple that he shoots
Just
onto the
go.
ground.
Here, I'll show you. Once you know he tries it. Oh, that was a good hit. Good hit.
Ow. Fuck. Man, why are these guys
Oh,
getting-
sorry.
Ow!
Sorry. You okay?
What level of knockback do you have on that sword? You just
Uh,
threw me.
I think it's 3.
I don't think he gets damaged by it.
Look out. Back up.
Back up.
Back up.
Get the breath.
Oh shit.
Got it.
Just gonna circle it and just right click. Oh boy.
Have to heal.
That's fire.
No, it's confused.
Ow, motherfucker. Got it.
Fireworks.
Oh my god.
He does not get affected by projectiles.
Oh, I hit right where I was standing too. Man, I should have brought more bottles. One without.
Oh, ow. Okay. I'm really glad he hasn't thrown me upwards this whole time. Oh, you motherfucker, right
Yeah, he does not get affected by projectiles, Brandon.
Yeah, he
What?
does.
Well then,
No,
how
they
would
don't.
how
Oh,
would
not when he's down here, okay.
Yeah, I'm shooting him right now.
Okay, I'm gonna move back to the Ender portal or Ender chest. And
Yeah.
wait, where is that?
Right over here by me.
That's not you. Ah, it's hard to tell who's who. It's so dark.
The only one that's glowing, that's not having a crossbow.
Well, I'm just gonna grab more.
I'm taking pot shots at the Ender Dragon right now.
Nice.
Come on, strength potion. Don't go to waste here. I am really glad I have infinity on this fucking bow. This is pissing me off. Land.
That's
Some.
Oh, there we go. Here.
Ow.
they're just ricocheting.
Yeah.
Ricochet when he's on the ground.
I see. Alright, that's all the dragon's breath I
Damn
got. I can't hold any more.
Ow.
Here. Come on.
Middle name. What's your middle name? Can't you just...
Yes!
Hey!
Hey!
You got it.
What's up, bitch?
Oh, Brandon got it.
It feels kind of it's because he's the king.
Babe,
Nice.
How are we gonna get the egg?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll come back and get it later on.
What about the egg?
Oh, there it is. Okay.
I'm gonna come back and get it later on.
Man, we should have brought a piston.
Yeah, I know. There is the portal to the
What do you have to do to get it?
Ender pearl.
What happened to your armor?
Oh, I died and I just got back. I grabbed everything and Enderman killed me.
Yeah.
But oh, yeah. Victory!
Enderman.
Yeah.
I didn't even use any of my
Oh,
potions
how many
anyway.
arrows do you have left?
Oh, I barely made a scratch in them. I barely used it. I was busy just grabbing dragon's breath.
Can I have my stack of arrows back?
It's not
Or a
actually.
stack.
Here's all of them.
Oh, Okay.
Too
Well,
high
what
up,
is
Brandon.
back to the overworld?
What's up?
I built a little too high up.
It's alright.
Oh, I found some more glass bottles I could have used.
Huh.